So I thought I'd take a little time today and talk about my fire kit. One, I have my flint and steel char kit, and the other is my tow bag, which is where I carry all of my tinder. And I prefer to use leather bags, only because you know, old is new, and I just like the feel of leather. It feels really great. It feels nice and warm, and I just really like the feel of it. These are bags that I've made myself. And so inside of this bag, as you can see, I just keep all sorts of tinder. Whenever I'm walking around and I see things that I know would be a good fire starter, like red cedar bark, cattail, birch bark. I've got some pieces of punk wood that I could turn into char later on. Down towards the bottom, I've got some birch wood and some fat wood that I found. So it's just a really great kit to keep around, keep on my person. I keep it in my pack most of the time until I'm really out on the trail, and then as you can see, it's got a belt loop there, so I can stick it on my belt and it's always with me. Then my other piece of kit that I carry is my flint and steel kit. And again, this is a bag that I've made myself. My bags are based off the sporran type model, and so I've kind of created a template to do that with. And I carry a Hudson Bay tobacco tin with me. Great little kit. It's got a magnifying glass in it, built right into it. And then if I can get this open, you can see that inside is my flint and steel, English flint, my steel, some char, and a little bit of jute twine that I can fluff into a nest and hit it with a spark. Another piece of my kit is my the tin that I use to make char with, and of course you've all seen that and you're familiar with the process of making char. But I keep a small kit like this just to make it, because I don't need a lot to get it started. To catch a spark, I can use natural fibers, cotton, punk wood, whatever, and then I can just put that in the fire. I cover the hole up with a little bit of beeswax when I'm not using it, and that keeps the whole container waterproof, airtight, so my char stays dry. And so I just thought today I would share with you some of my fire making kit. And if you've got any questions, hit me up in the comments section of this YouTube video, and look forward to hearing from you. Take care, everyone.